Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jazz Tutorials. Before we start our video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Jazz Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the key differences between accounting and accountancy. As we have already discussed about the meaning of these two terms, accounting and accountancy, in our last video, now we will move forward to understand the difference between accounting and accountancy. Here you can see a chart where the comparison between accounting and accountancy is displayed. First, let us start with the meaning of accounting. Accounting is a systematic process that involves measurement, recording, classification, summarizing, presenting, and interpreting the financial information of an organization. Accounting is a process used to maintain a record of financial transactions while complying with all the standards, principles, and concepts. On the other hand, accountancy implies the systematic body of knowledge that prescribes accounting principles, conventions, and techniques which are to be followed during the accounting process. Point number 2. What does accounting and accountancy explain? Accounting explains the nature of work performed by the accountants. Accounting is a discipline that is concerned with the nature of work performed by accountants. On the other hand, the profession pursued or opted by the accountants is known as accountancy. Point number 3. What is accounting and accountancy concerned with? Accounting is concerned with the practical part. On the other hand, accountancy deals with both theoretical and practical part. Therefore, we can say that what we practice is accounting, but what we study and apply is accountancy. Point number 4. Relatedness. Accounting is the action based on the knowledge of accountancy. Whatever we do it in accounting, it is all based on the knowledge of accountancy. On the other hand, accountancy is a field of knowledge that indicates the route to accounting, or we can say it shows the route to accounting. Point number 5. The scope between accounting and accountancy. The scope in accounting is narrow. It is only related to some part. But on the other hand, the scope of accountancy is wide because it involves both bookkeeping and accounting. In the coming videos, I will explain what is bookkeeping. Point number 6. Tools of accounting and accountancy. The primary tool of accounting is the financial statements, that is, preparation of trading and profit and loss account, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Accounting is mainly concerned with preparation of P&L account, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. But on the other hand, the principles, standards, rules, concepts, techniques, and conventions, these form the tools of accountancy. Hope all of you have understood the difference between accounting and accountancy. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and take care.